Hey guys, it's Nanda from Nanda's Crafts. On today's video, I want to show you guys my handmade Disney gift box ideas. And here it is. This is the Tinkerbell gift box. And this box is 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters. And it is 6 centimeters tall. And this box, I decided to go with a different paper for the box and a different paper for the box lid. So the scrapbook paper that I used to make this box and the other boxes that you are going to see in this video is this one. If you already see it, my Hobby Lobby haul, I had this mega paper pad on the video and I used some of the pages to make my gift box. So this is the one that this is one of the pages that I use it to make a Minnie Mouse box. And I use this one. And some of the papers is already out because I using most of the paper. I only have a few scraps from some of the papers that I use it. So here it is, the one that I use it. And then for the box lid, I use this one, which this paper looks like fabric. It's very interesting. It's very cute too. So this would make a cute gift box. And then for the box lid, you could add this one right here, the same way as I did this other Tinkerbell box right here. Okay, going back to the Tinkerbell gift box, now let's talk about it. So the box lid, I decided to apply pearls all around, and her wings, I added some glitter glue. And some of the flowers, there is some gemstones and pearls. I decided to apply a green thin ribbon around the box, which matches the leaves. And inside the box is a green cardstock, same as for the box lid. And there you go, Tinkerbell gift box turned out way too cute. My next box is Princess Tiana. So this box is 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters and is 7 centimeters tall. And to use most of the paper, I decided to just cover the box with the paper from Princess Tiana that came on a paper pad. So as you can see, this side is the same as this other side, but this one over here is different than this one. In the bottom of the box, I just decided to put the tree in here, and the lid is just the paper that I cut to fit right on the box lid. And as you can see, I apply green gemstones all around. And on the words "Dream at the Spice of Life," I apply some stickles, which I love the stickles. And on her arm length gloves, I apply glitter. And I apply some glitter right here and right on her tiara. So, Princess Tiana gift box turned out way too cute too. And inside the box, I decided to go with a light yellow cardstock. And then I apply a green ribbon all around inside the box, which I do that way because sometimes between this paper on the side and between this on the bottom, it leaves a little gap. And you can always apply another piece of cardstock to cover the gap, or you can just apply a ribbon inside the box, and plus it gives more detail inside the box. All right, so let's go to the next box, which is the Disney Princess And this box turned out way too cute too. So I decided to go with a different paper for the box and a different one for the box lid. And inside the box it's blue cardstock, and as you can see I added a dark pink ribbon. So the size of this box is 16 centimeters by 12 centimeters and is 7 centimeters tall. And for the lid I just added some gemstones. This kind of gemstones, and 4 gemstones on each corner of the box. And this I just cut the image from the paper, and then I glue on the box lid, and then all around is just stickles, and it's so cute. Okay, so let's go to the next box, which is the Minnie Mouse. So this box size is 16 centimeters by 16 centimeters, and it is 6.5 centimeters tall. So I decided to just use it black paper with the red polka dots, and it's same that I use for the lid. So for the box lid I cut this part with have the Minnie Mouse, and then I glue right on the box lid, and this is from this paper. So I just added one right here and another one right here on the bottom. And inside the box I decided to go with a dark yellow cardstock and a red ribbon. See, the red ribbon just added more details in the box. And this box turned out way too cute too. So let's see the next box, which is Rapunzel. So for the Rapunzel gift box, as you can see right here on the box lid, I added glitter glue all around, minus her face and her arms. There's no glitter. So but all the rest of the box lid there is glitter. And then there is more gemstones around the box. And over here on the corner I decided to go with acrylic flower, which matched the same color as the gemstones. And I decided to apply a dark ribbon around the box lid, and the same paper on the box is the same paper for the box lid. And inside the box is like a purplish cardstock. So cute. And the next box is Elsa, Anna, and Olaf. And this box turned out way too cute. So around the box is gemstones. And in some of the snowflakes I added some gemstones. And the box and the box lid is just with the same paper. And this box size is 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters. And it's 8 centimeters tall. And inside the box is a pink cardstock. Isn't that cute? Alright, so let's go to the next box. And my next box is this cute Minnie Mouse gift box. So it's just another Minnie Mouse gift box, but it's small than this one. See the comparison? Okay, so for the box lid over here I use it the same scrapbook paper that is in here on the box lid, and I used the other scrapbook paper with all Minnie Mouse bows, and I added a piece right here, as you can see, and polka dot red ribbons, which turned out this box way too cute. And here I using my scallop shape and punch on a cardstock, and then I glue the Minnie Mouse picture right there. And inside the box is a red cardstock. And this box size is 9 centimeters by 9 centimeters by 5 centimeters tall. No, so this box is perfect, like if you want to give it away on a birthday party, on a baby shower. So you can make as many as you want, or you can make a little taller than 5 centimeters. So if you didn't watch my videos on how to make a box or how to cover a box with the scrapbook paper, please click the links down below so you can see how I made all these gift boxes. I only have in there 4 different sizes, but you can have the idea that you can make any other sizes with that, as long as the recycle box that you are using allowed you to make the size of a box that you want to make it. So here it is, the small gift boxes. I do have size is smaller than this. So the size for this box is 6 centimeters by 6 centimeters, and it is 5 centimeters tall. So to decorate these small boxes, I just decided to use my scallop shape, and then I glue pictures of Belle and Ariel and Cinderella. And in here I added some flowers and branch leaf around. So it turned out so cute. So inside the box is yellow cardstock. So the Ariel box is a green cardstock inside. And for the box lid, I just apply a green ribbon. And in the middle right here is just a washi tape. And I decided to apply some branch leaves. And this is the Cinderella, which inside is blue. And outside is just the blue scrapbook paper with Cinderella shoes. From the paper, I cut in the woods having a ball, and then I cut one of her shoes, and then I glue right here. So they turned out so cute. You can use these ideas for making baby shower, birthday parties, boxes. If you don't want to make this size of box, you can make this size. And great to put in a stocking socks for Christmas too. So inside you can just put in any gift that can fit right here. So at the store you can find as many little toys that can fit inside this box, and then you can just put it inside the stocking socks. So if you're gonna make this size for Christmas, then you're gonna use a Christmas scrapbook paper, and if you're gonna make this for baby shower, you're just using baby shower scrapbook paper. So this is all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below which one was your favorite Disney gift box. Like this video if you like it, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more ideas, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.